What is going on, everyone? My name is Nick, and last year I made over $200,000 on social media, specifically one social media that I just genuinely wanted to make this video and tell you guys it's possible and try to run you through a bunch of tips and tricks that I learned from 2024. If you guys don't know, I am a TikTok shop affiliate. So what I do is that I grab products and I sell them on TikTok to other people when people buy off of my video. It's honestly like really easy. At the same time, it's very stressful once you get to the certain levels that like I'm at right now. I'm not saying that you won't get there. I'm just saying though, like there's levels to this to where you're almost working like nonstop every day. But at the same exact time, I'm always at my house. Like I don't have to leave my house. I'm 24 years old. I still have a mortgage payment, but I'm pretty comfortable with how I'm living right now. Have a nice car, a nice house, and honestly, like just working from home is the best thing ever. And I know like I did over $200,000 last year, and the fact that like I don't drive a super fancy car or nothing, I completely get it. You guys might not believe me on what I do, but I genuinely just like to be financially set, and then once I start making like a crap ton of money, I'm probably going to start spending some of it on some nice luxury things. Anyways, I'm getting a little bit off topic. So I have two phones. What I do is that I run a couple different accounts on TikTok shop. I can even see what I just did today so far. It's 10 o'clock at night. I'm sitting at $211 for the day. Honestly, that's not even a ton of money. It's not bad. I mean, I'll take it. Last 7 days, I'm at 1.7K on this account. It really just depends on the account and on the uploads and the sales that are going on at the time. It definitely fluctuates back and forth, but I do run multiple accounts, so I'll actually show you. So off of my two phones, I run literally so many different accounts. You guys can see on here. Some of them are repeats, but I do run multiple accounts, and every single day what I do is that I record videos with products in my hand, the products I get from other companies on TikTok, and I sell them for a commission. For every single sale that I get, I will make a small amount of money from every sale. So your goal is to just get a viral video going, so then you can get a ton of clicks and then a ton of people purchasing off that video. That's the main goal. I started doing this back in December of 2023. One of the best decisions I've ever made. I purchased a car air freshener off of TikTok. I was like, oh, you could buy stuff off TikTok. That's pretty cool. I bought it. I made a video with my grandma. Thought the video would do less than 1,000 views. Swear on everything, like I thought it was going to be shit. But thankfully, what ended up happening is that there really wasn't many affiliates on at the time in 2023. So I think since it was just any shop video, pretty much they're going to like try to push it out. And the video hit like 3.4 million views or something like that. I made like 10 or 20 grand off that video just off of the commissions. I was like, holy crap. Like the following year before that, in 2023, the entire 2023, I was like flipping furniture. I was barely making my mortgage payments because I moved the locations from New Jersey to Florida, and I used to like flip cars and flip a bunch of things. And then it was a different market down here. And like it's not that I was struggling, but I was definitely getting to the point where like I was working every day to just go and make some form of money. And then when TikTok came around and I started doing this, I was like, holy crap, like this is game changing. I had my brother get on this. Now my little brother is on it. A lot of my friends still haven't done it. I mean, I do have some friends that do it and they still make great money. Some of the people I've taught as well, like they've made like multiple thousands of dollars in their first week of doing it. Genuinely, like if you have not hopped on the TikTok shop yet, please do me a favor and hop on it. Like please, I know there's already so many people on TikTok shop, but if you just start learning how to do this, there's going to be other companies, probably like Amazon. I know Instagram's coming out with it. I mean, technically Amazon already has it, but Instagram's coming out with it. Facebook's probably going to come out with it since that's Meta. YouTube already has it, even though it's kind of crappier in my opinion. But again, to each his own. You just want to learn how to sell. I think that's super important. You want to learn how to be able to sell something to someone, especially with the product. And it's almost like, you know, not that you're trying to sell them. It's almost like a storytelling type of thing because it's a TikTok, right? You want to be entertaining and you want people to watch that video. You want the watch time to be high so then your video gets pushed out more. But at the same exact time, you're trying to convert the sales in because that's where you're making your money. You don't get paid off views or anything for the TikTok shop videos. You're getting paid strictly off of the commission. Seriously, one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life, and I do teach people how to do this for a living. If you ever did want to join, I have a school community that I'll put on this video if you guys ever want to join it in the description. I'm not saying for you guys to join that, but I'm going to be making a lot more videos like this one right here, just talking to you guys about my everyday life when it comes down to being an entrepreneur, being 24 years old and just living financially free. I literally have done it. Like, I'm already at that level, and I don't see myself ever going back. I haven't for years, and I just want to keep on pushing, and I want to help other people out too, because the people that I've already helped out have had great success, and I just want to keep on helping. I have so much information that I know, and I truthfully believe that every single person watching this video can do it. Like, you can easily make money off this platform or any platform out there. You just have to understand how to do it. But yeah, that's how I became a TikTok shop affiliate, and I made over $200,000 last year. And again, I do have the school community on the description down below. I'm going to be dropping a ton of knowledge for TikTok shop, for the platform Flip, and for YouTube, Instagram, Meta, everything. I'm going to drop sauce on all of that, so you will know exactly how to do these things and just jump right into it to make good money. I feel like it's just not talked about enough. Like, there's just so many people out there that don't explain everything. They just try to get you into their like $100 program each month. Like, I'm just trying to help you guys out because I know I can help build you for whichever niche you want to do. If you don't even want to sell products, like, I know how to do these things. I genuinely do. I've been doing YouTube since I was 16. Anyways, I'm going on and on. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. I'll try to respond to them, or I'll make videos based off those questions as well. I'm just gonna keep on posting these videos. I don't even care if this did 100 views. That's great for me. I really don't even care. I genuinely just want to get footage out there that you guys can see me grow on my journey, and I'm already doing it right now, but we're gonna have $1 million, plus a year at some point. We're just gonna keep grinding and make this happen. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to drop me a sub, definitely go for that. It feels weird even saying that. I've barely been doing YouTube, so drop me a sub if you want to drop follow me and stay up to date. But yeah guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.